Hello everyone, welcome to week 8. This is our midterm week, so I wish you all the best of luck in all your midterms. This is the information that you'll need for our course. Okay, so of course right here you have the Principles of Entrepreneurship link. You need to review all of the sections that we've covered thus far. That's section 1 through 7. Okay, your information for the exam, your link to actually take the exam is right here, week 8. When you click on week 8, you'll see a set of flashcards that you need to look over, and you need to know what's on these flashcards. For the most part, it is a review of things that you have already covered through the Principles of Entrepreneurship link. It's just breaking things down and highlighting some important aspects that may have not been in the link that are on your exam. But again, these are basic principles that are in the flashcard set that you need to be aware of because they are definitely on the exam. Okay? This right here is your midterm exam link. Do not click on this link and start this link until you are ready to take the exam. The exam is due before Wednesday, October 10th at 11 p.m. If you do not have consistent, reliable internet where you reside, please make sure that you take this exam in an area where you have reliable internet. Okay? You also have 90 minutes to complete it, so please don't start the exam at 10:30 or 10 o'clock because you're cutting yourself short. At 11 p.m., it's going to automatically cut off, and whatever you've completed, that will be your grade. Again, there are no retakes or multiple attempts. If your computer dies in the middle of the exam and you want to take it over, you're not going to be able to take it over. So make sure that you make the necessary preparations to have a reliable computer and internet to take your exam. Let's just do a little review through the weeks. In week 5, we covered part 1 through 4. Week 6, you guys looked at risk tolerance. You need to know the definition for risk tolerance. Okay, hint, hint. And week 7, you guys went over part 6 and 7. And you also had an article assigned on innovation strategy that you need to read and understand what that article is saying. Points from the article will be in your exam. All right. So that's pretty much it for this week. The only thing you have to do this week is study, review, and take your midterm exam. In week 9, then we'll proceed with new things. If anyone has any questions, please do not hesitate to email, call me, or send me a text. My information is here. Faculty information. So all these contacts right here come straight to my phone. All right? You guys have a great week. Bye.